Today I will show very healthy and delicious chicken dumpling. It is also known as steamed momo or dim sum. Flour 2 cups, olive oil 2 teaspoons, salt 1 teaspoon, water half cup plus 4 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoons green chili, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons chopped spring onion, 2 tablespoons chopped cabbage, 2 tablespoons chopped carrot. Minced chicken 500 grams. Add olive oil with flour. Salt. Now mix well. Gradually add normal water. See the texture of the dough, neither it is hard nor it is soft. Now add 1 teaspoon olive oil all over the dough. Wrap it with plastic paper. Now rest the dough for 10 minutes. In a bowl, add minced chicken and spread it with a spatula. Add vinegar, salt, soya sauce, garlic powder, black pepper, carrot, spring onion, green chili, chopped coriander leaves, chopped cabbage, and 1 tablespoon tomato and chili sauce. Now mix well. Chicken mixture is ready. After 10 minutes, open the plastic paper. Take a small amount of dough. Give a round shape. sprinkle flour on the working surface, then place the dough. And now roll it like a bread. See the texture of the bread? You can see my hand. In the same process, I will roll out rest of the bread. All breads and chicken mixture are ready. Take 1 piece bread. Place 1 tablespoon chicken mixture in the center of the bread. Now fold it. Cross both sides. It is the easiest way to make the dumpling. Take another bread. Place 1 tablespoon chicken mixture in the center of the bread. You can make dumpling in this way also. You can make dumpling in this way also. In this way, I will make rest of my dumpling. All dumplings are ready to steam. Place 2 cups hot water in a pan. Now place a strainer. Grease the strainer with olive oil. Now place half of the dumpling on the strainer. Keep half-inch gap between 2 dumplings. Cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes over low-medium flame. Place 2 cups water in the rice cooker. Place a strainer. Grease it with olive oil. Place rest of the dumpling. Cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes Open the cover. All dumplings are done. Now I will serve it. Place lettuce leaves. Serve with tomato and chili sauce. Sprinkle spring onion. It is a very easy but incredibly delicious recipe. I can assure you, if you just follow my recipe, your dumplings will be much better than any restaurant. Hope you enjoy my recipe. If you have any question regarding the recipe, you can ask me in my comment box. I will reply. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel Health is Beauty.